In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use spell check in Gmail. This is a simple but powerful way to catch typos as you write, so your messages look polished and professional without extra effort. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and selecting Compose to open a new message. You'll see the usual fields for the recipient and subject, and then the main message area where you'll type your email. As you begin writing, Gmail will watch for words that look misspelled and mark them with a red zigzag underline. Think of that underline as a friendly nudge that says, "Take a second look at this." To see how it works, type a word incorrectly on purpose. For example, a longer word like narcissist is easy to misspell. As soon as Gmail thinks a word might be wrong, it underlines it in red. The fix is straightforward. Click directly on the underlined word. A small list of suggested corrections will appear right next to it. Choose the correct spelling from the list, and Gmail will instantly replace your original word with the corrected version. That's it. No extra buttons to press, no menus to dig through. If you're in the middle of a sentence, you can keep typing and come back to the misspelling later. The red underline will stick around until you address it, so you won't lose track. Sometimes you'll see more than one suggestion. Pick the option that makes sense in your sentence, and if nothing matches what you intended to say, you can ignore the underline and leave the word as is. That's especially helpful for names, brand terms, or specialized jargon that Gmail might not recognize yet. It's also a good habit to pause at the end of your email and scan for any remaining red underlines before you hit send. Click each one, choose the correct option, and move on. If you accidentally close the suggestions by clicking elsewhere, just click the underlined word again to bring them back. A quick recap. Open Gmail, click Compose, start writing, and watch for the red zigzag underline. When you see it, click the underlined word and select the correct suggestion. The correction applies immediately, and you can continue writing with confidence. That's all you need to use spell check in Gmail. With this built-in helper, your emails will read more clearly and look more professional without slowing you down. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.